Hey there, future CEOs and girl bosses. Welcome to the cutting-edge era of work, where technology and innovation are transforming the way we do business. Get ready to dive into the fascinating world of digital clones and artificial intelligence. These aren't just buzzwords, they're the new reality shaping our professional lives. It's like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but trust me, it's real, and it's changing everything about how we work. Imagine walking into an office where holographic interfaces and advanced tech are the norm. Imagine a world where your to-do list is tackled by a super smart computer program. No more mundane tasks bogging you down. AI assistants can manage your schedule, set reminders, and even handle complex projects. Or where you have a digital twin who can handle those tedious meetings while you catch up on emails, or, online shop. Sounds pretty amazing, right? These digital clones can represent you in virtual meetings, making sure your presence is felt even when you're not physically there. But before we all start planning our early retirement parties, let's talk about what this really means for the future of work. The integration of AI and digital clones is not just about convenience, it's about redefining roles and responsibilities in the workplace. Because while AI has the potential to make our lives easier, it's also shaking things up in a major way. Jobs are evolving. New skills are in demand, and the traditional office environment is undergoing a radical transformation. We need to adapt, learn, and grow with these changes to stay ahead in this brave new world of work. Okay, so the idea of robots taking over our jobs might sound a little scary. It's a common fear that has been portrayed in countless movies and books. The thought of machines replacing human workers can be unsettling. And yeah, it's true that some jobs will be automated as AI gets smarter. Automation is already happening in many industries, from manufacturing to customer service. Machines are becoming more capable of performing tasks that were once done by humans. Think repetitive tasks, data entry, that kind of thing. These are the types of jobs that are most at risk of being automated, but it's not just low-skilled jobs, even some high-skilled jobs could be affected. But hold on, there's good news too. While some jobs disappear, AI is also creating a whole bunch of new ones. The rise of AI technology is leading to the creation of entirely new fields and opportunities. We're talking about jobs we haven't even thought of yet. Think about it. Someone needs to design, build, and manage all these fancy AI systems, right? This means there will be a growing demand for professionals with skills in AI and related technologies. That means more jobs for tech-savvy folks like software developers, data scientists, and AI ethicists, because even robots need to know right from wrong. These roles will be crucial in ensuring that AI systems are designed and used ethically and responsibly. So if you're worried about robots taking over, consider this. The future of work will be different, but it will also be full of new possibilities. By staying informed and adapting to new technologies, we can all find our place in this